Hi friends, the return of Chris Wilder to Bramall Lane showed some promise as Sheffield United fought hard to trouble Liverpool, but the Reds walked away with all 3 points as Virgil van Dijk and Dominic Szoboszlai did enough for a 2-0 road victory. The Reds racked up the corners through the first half, and cashed in as Van Dijk struck from a set-piece chance 37 minutes in. The Blades made life difficult for Liverpool, but with just 24% possession and a woeful 48% pass completion rate, they were under heavy pressure throughout. Cameron Archer provided a quality threat on the counter-attack, but he had little help when Sheffield United did get forward. Ultimately, the pressure was too much to deal with and Szoboszlai put the game away 3 minutes deep into added time after great pressing by Darwin Núñez.